In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Tally. So through a comprehensive tutorial in Tamil, we'll guide you step by step, ensuring you feel comfortable and confident in creating and managing forms with Tally. So let's dive right in. First things first, open your web browser and navigate to the Tally. Website. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the homepage. Look towards the top right corner where you'll find the options to either log in or sign up. If you already have an account, simply go ahead and log in with your credentials, enter your username and password, and that should grant you access to the dashboard. If this is your first time, signing up is equally straightforward. But for those already signed in, let's continue on our journey. On the dashboard, you will find an icon or button labeled plus new form. Click on this to start creating a new form. Now at this point, you'll have two options. You can either start from scratch or explore the variety of ready-made templates available, each tailored for specific needs. Scrolling through the templates, you might come across one that fits your requirements perfectly. If so, click on Use a Template to select it. Browse the various survey templates available, and once you've chosen one, click on it. Usually an option will appear on the top right corner of your screen that says, Use this template. Click on this to begin customizing your form. Customization is where the real magic happens. Here you can tweak and personalize your form to suit your preferences. Adjustments related to the title, questions, layout styles, and much more can be made. It's all about making it feel just right for your specific purpose. Next up, set the logic and settings that cater to how you envision your form to function. This might include setting question logic or configuring how responses are collected. Once you're satisfied with your modifications, look for the Publish button at the top right corner. Click on it after reviewing everything to your satisfaction. Publishing your form isn't the end though. You'll want to share it to gather responses. This can be done by simply copying the form link. You have numerous sharing options at your disposal, like sending the link through WhatsApp, emailing it, or embedding it directly onto your website. Now let's talk about monitoring your form responses. Head back to your Tally workspace and click on the form you've just worked on. Here, there's a feature called Insights. By clicking on it, you get a glance at the responses you've received. It's instrumental in analyzing the data and understanding whether your form achieved its intended purpose. That's it for today's tutorial on using Tally.so in Tamil. I hope this guide was clear and insightful, helping you navigate Tally.so with ease. Feel free to explore further the numerous features Tally.so offers to extend the functionality of your forms. Happy form creating!